Hi everyone, today I'm bringing something special for all the noodles lover out there. We are tired of making noodles same old way as the packet says, right? So today let's try something different and delicious, Noodles Koththu. Let's see what we need to get started. We need 2 packets of noodles, half cup of carrot, quarter cup of onion, quarter cup of spring onions, quarter cup of cabbage and 1 tomatoes, curry leaves, 2 eggs and green chilies, half a cup of chicken with gravy, 4 teaspoon of chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste and Maggi seasoning powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. First, place a pot of water on the stove. When the water started boiling, add the noodles. We only need to cook them until they are about 80% done. Once ready, strain them and set them aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add crushed garlic and saute. Next add the onion. After a minute, toss in the green chilies. Cabbage, carrots and curry leaves. Fry everything together for about a minute. Push the veggies to the side and crack in the 2 eggs. Once eggs are well scrambled, it's time for the spices. Give it a good mix for about 30 seconds. Now add the boiled noodles. Using 2 spatulas, mix in thoroughly while breaking the noodles into small pieces, just like a real kottu. Then add the chicken with gravy and the chopped tomatoes. Keep mixing until the chicken pieces are also shredded and well combined. Finally add the spring onions, tomato sauce and soya sauce. Give it one last grand mix to coat everything perfectly. And there you have it, a mouth-watering noodles kottu that way better than your regular instant noodles. It is super tasty and very easy to make at home. You try this out and let me know how it tastes. Thank you so much for watching my video today. See you again with another great recipe. Bye.